第34页主题写作，心理测验该信不该信。
Are online psychological tests accurate measures of personality? Many people have taken online psychological tests at some point in their lives. Although some believe that these tests can accurately reflect people's personalities or mental states, I disagree for several reasons. First, the results of these tests tend to offer flattering pictures of individuals by telling them what they want to hear. In addition, the analyses are usually too vague to be of any help. Most of all, many of these tests are not designed by psychologists or experts in the field, which makes the results questionable. I once took an online psychological test and was initially amazed at the result. It listed a number of qualities and personality traits that suited me perfectly. However, I was surprised to find that most of the other analyses of the same test also applied to me in one way or another. Therefore, I concluded that these online psychological tests are not reliable ways to measure one's personality and are nothing more than an interesting form of entertainment that lacks substance. Many of us may have taken online psychological tests at some time in our lives. While some people are skeptical about the results provided, I hold the opposite view. There are a few reasons why I believe these tests are beneficial. To begin with, the results of some online tests may guide us when we feel at a loss in a world filled with uncertainties. Since these results often include positive suggestions, they can be a source of inspiration and encouragement. Additionally, the creators of psychological tests might have worked very hard to ensure the accuracy of the test results. Therefore, placing trust in the results of these tests can do little harm. I remember an online psychological test that I once took. After answering all the questions, I was amazed by how accurately the results reflected the difficulties I was facing at the time. In fact, the write-up perfectly matched my situation. As I read through the suggestions provided, I was advised to take brave steps instead of sitting around and doing nothing. Although this may seem like a vague and general statement, it was just what I needed to hear at the time. Thanks to this advice, I managed to resolve my problems. This is why I believe that online psychological tests can be a helpful tool for some people in some life situations.